What if you removed your helmet in space and you could actually hear it? Space is silent, not because nothing happens, but because sound needs air. Explosions, stars, and collisions are happening all the time, but there's no air to carry the sound. Now imagine this changes. If you could hear space, you wouldn't hear voices, you'd hear low, deep vibrations. Planets would hum, stars would roar, black holes would sound like a deep cosmic scream. NASA has actually converted space data into sound, and what they found is terrifyingly beautiful. Space isn't quiet, your ears just aren't built to hear it. If this blew your mind, imagine what else the universe is hiding. Follow Topley for more unreal science.